Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So to create a bar stacked 100 chart, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. So this is the sample data which I have built in Excel. From this data, I'm going to build a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel, and as you can see, this is the macro button in which I have assigned the sub procedure to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. First we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding of the code, that what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VB Excel. So let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen, that this is our bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel, and this is how our output is gonna look after writing some lines of code inside the VB editor. And after that, we will be able to see this amazing bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So let's dive into our VB editor and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VB Excel. So as you can see on the screen, that this is our VB editor and this is the sub procedure to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So this will be the entire code to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So let's see what our codes has to be written and how these codes will be able to help us to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So the first line of code which we are going to type over here, or we have already typed over here, is the single cell inside our data frame. So this is our data range, and or you can say this is our data inside which I have selected a single cell which is E5. And after selecting a single cell, what we are going to do is we are going to type active shapes.add chart2 in the next line, and then inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. Now these parameters will help us to create what type of chart we are trying to build in this video. So let's see what are the parameters which we have to give. So the first parameter which we are going to give is always a chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video, the chart value is 2. After that, by separating a comma, we are going to give what type of chart we are trying to build. So in this video, we are trying to build a bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. So to create a bar stacked 100 chart, we are going to mention Excel bar stacked 100. So once you have given, this will be the chart type. So in Excel VBA, Excel bar stacked 100 is the chart type which we are going to mention to create this type of chart. After that, we are going to give the top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart in VBA Excel. After that, we are going to close the brackets and then we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created. But wait, it will be a basic chart which will be created and which won't be that attractive while presenting to someone. So to make it more presentable, we are going to use the with block of code or the with statement in the next line, and we will be seeing what this line or this block of with code will help us to present it more attractively in front of our bosses or colleagues. So what we are going to do is we are going to type with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. So this line of code ensures that or informs to our chart that our chart has a title. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and then our chart title inside the double inverted comma. So once you have given these lines of code, your chart title will be created. Now this chart title can be changed by yourself as per your data or the values which you are going to present as a chart. After that, we are going to set some elements. Let's see what are they. The first element which I have set over here by using dot set element, and inside the brackets I have typed MSO element data label show. What this line of code will do is, this line of code will help us to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every bar inside our bars tagged 100 chart is labeled. So to show the labeling of each and every bar, we are going to type this line of code, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data label show. After that, in the next line, we are going to type the code or the line of code to remove the grid lines from our chart. So the code will be dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none. So once you have typed this line of code, your grid lines will be disappear from your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this table. As you can see, our table has perfect values as shown over here, and we have the legend keys as well inside our table. So to create this entire table inside a chart, we are going to type this line of code, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table with the legend keys will be created. After that, as you can see that this is the chart which we have built till here, and we have the data values already shown for each and every bar inside the chart. So we don't require the value access over here. So to delete the value access, we are going to type dot access, and inside the bracket we are going to type Excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. So this line of code will help us to delete the value access from our chart to make it more presentable. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. Now, as you can see that we have selected our Excel bar stacked 100 chart while creating it at the initial time of this code. So to deselect that, what we are going to do is we are going to type range and any empty cell inside the brackets and the double inverted comma, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select to deselect our chart. For this video I have selected I4 as my empty cell. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create an amazing bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. If you want to know more about our VBA chart series, then please do visit to our channel BPO Coder and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.